Go.
Hey, Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Today we're going to take a look in the box of the Vremi 10-piece knife set, and it's sharp as a knife set. If you saw our unboxing of the bump and grind coffee grinder, Vremi, they put some silly sayings across their boxes, kind of really, I guess, staying cool. So right there, that's how it comes. And this is a very colorful set, and it says, "Looking sharp, meet the sharpest tools in the shed." And it's I don't know, they just got these silly sayings. Again, with buying this, you can get 50% off one of the other products of your choice just for buying this. And if you like what you see here, as you're using it, they ask you to take a picture, share it, compliments, and then you can always use a hashtag to tag it as well, which if everything works out, we will do. Customer support card. And then here is the knife set. So it's a 10-piece set, so it's not 10 knives. So make sure you understand that. But it's very colorful, so if you're into like a nice color pop for your kitchen, it's something that you might want to do. So the 10-piece is 1 is the knife, and then the sheath is 2. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's your 10 pieces right there. The grip is really cool. It's got like a rubber or a silicone type grip, and we will check these out in the review video. But you can see even the knife itself is a really cool looking color red. And then I'll show you the other knives. Probably helpful if I put it back the right way. That one looks like a bread knife. This one looks maybe like a slicer, right? And these two will look probably paring knives. It's like a utility / paring. And then most likely the paring knife. Yep. So that's the 10-piece set from Vremi, and there you have it. So that's what's in the box. And like I said, make sure to look for that link for the review. It'll show a demo of it and everything, and show you how well these knives stand up and work. But for now, I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.